The Christmas period is typically shrouded in tradition, from the centuries-old folklore of Santa Claus to the classic festive hits that come back year after year. But with technology's grip on society growing ever stronger, modern gadgetry is found to change the way we celebrate the holiday season. A new report has looked into how state-of-the-art technology will shape the Christmas of the future. The Amazon study, crafted by leading futurists, claims that 3D-printed food and wish lists generated by artificial intelligence will shape the festive period by 2037. LED wallpaper displaying Christmas scenes and 3D-printed decorations, such as tree baubles, will also feature in holiday seasons to come. People will grow their Christmas dinner vegetables in their kitchen thanks to advances in hydroponics technology. The innovation will mean vegetables are grown in mineral nutrient solutions in a water solvent instead of soil. Food could be shaped into festive symbols using 3D printing technology, while AI will make gift wish lists based on social media likes. Futurist William Hyam of London consultancy firm Next Big Thing and food trend researcher Dr. Morgan Gay penned a report, which looked up to 20 years into the future. He added that family members kept apart at Christmas will in future use virtual reality to spend a holiday season together. December is a time of preparation and celebration, and technology will put a festive twist on how we approach Christmas in the future, while making the celebration more convenient and communal, he said. One innovation we can expect to see used over the festive period is augmented reality in the home. Christmas is a time for family, and advanced technology could allow families who live miles apart to celebrate and interact together. The introduction of haptic clothing, which recreates the sense of touch through vibrations or motions, will allow us to feel closer to overseas relatives by giving them a haptic hug on Christmas morning. And holographic imaging will be a way to project 3D versions of our friends and family into our living rooms so they can get virtually involved in the festivities.